Welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this video I just want to share how we can solve the problem that if you ever face your computer, we can turn on and every time we turn on the computer and it will display to solve the BIOS. That means that there's something errored in the motherboard. So whenever I turn on the computer, it asks me to enter F1 or F2 to set up. So I'm gonna open the whole this CPU box. We just remove the screw and let's see step by step. It can be a lot of issue, but the most often issue for these things is that there is a CMOS battery inside this motherboard. So if you look at the closest to this motherboard here, and you will see these small pieces of battery cell that is 3 voltage. So it will label as 3V, and it's regardless of any brand. It can be Panasonic or any brand, but it must be 3 volt. It's not rechargeable, so we have to make sure how many voltage is left. So it happens because of the low battery. It's a quite long times, maybe 4 5 years or 10 years. So this PC is very old. It's more than 10 years, so we never change it. So that is exactly what's happening. So it's supposed to have a 3 voltage, but right now what the balance is a 0.2 voltage. So that means a serial clock, the timing will reset all the time. So we need to replace a new battery cells. So I just bought it. This a new battery cell. This costs very cheap. It's not rechargeable. You can buy any in a local store, or you can buy from the online. So I'm gonna make sure this voltage is supposed to have 3 voltage. Of course, you need to have a multimeter. So here is 3.287. That means this battery is new. This is a full battery. So here's 3 voltage, and you know this is the old one. It's only left 0.16150. So of course this will not active to motherboard here. So whenever I turn on off the computer and the motherboard power, all the type shut down, and that will ask me to reset a BIOS. So I replaced this new battery cell. And here, because this PC is a very old, as a long time we never open it up. Of course this is working, so we don't have to open it. So you can see this side a lot of dots here, and here this is a very old model, this HDD drive. So whenever we turn on this computer, it's a very slow. So I just apply a dry tissue to clean it up. You know, here a lot of stuff here. So instead of using a vacuum, I don't have a vacuum here, so I just use it here dryer. You know, this is not a good idea, but it's okay. You know, this piece is still work, but you know, this is the old model. We can just remove the dust using this hair dryer. Of course, if we have a vacuum sucker, that's the best. And after that, we just close it back, the casing here, the casing cover. Of course, you must turn off the power. Make sure we turn off, and only we do this part. So sometimes this kind of things are very small issue. We can open up by ourselves. Yeah, so everything's look fine here. Okay, so the screw, everything's already installed back. Everything's is in a good condition. So here I connect all the power cable, everything's, and now once I turn on my computer, it will not ask me to reset BIOS or anything else. So it just come up like normal. So right now we can connect to the internet and everything's, all this computer is well function. So I hope this video will for someone. If you ever face something like this kind of situation, you can just try to open it up your motherboard, and there is a battery cell which will be 3 voltage. That's a CMOS battery. We can just replace a CMOS battery,